Such an intricate construction, like the Tower of Babylon, reaching to the sky, only about 3 inches high, rising from a glabrous rosette of leaves, its flowers pink and elegant, a ballet dancer of a plant. Why exactly are you called a weed, with your delicate bugles, summoning the butterflies and bees, which arrive like courtiers, worshipping your beauty? You remind me of Madame de la Pompadour in a portrait by Boucher. A fine lady indeed. I pity anyone who doesn't kneel to examine the darker pink streaks on your petals, scalloped like the sleeves of a couture gown, suitable for the country or the town, or listen for whatever inaudible tune you are blowing. I should curtsy to you, Ajuga reptans. You spread such a rich carpet wherever you are growing.
Before we continue, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Since ancient times, symbolism has been assigned to flowers. Classical Greeks long ago associated certain flowers with their gods, and with them, symbolism. The hues of bugleweed suggest calm seas and clear skies, symbolizing peace and serenity. In the year 1635, Nicholas Culpeper noted bugleweed's uses in his Complete Herbal.
Besides the name bugle, it is called middle confound and middle comfrey, brown bugle, and by some, sicklewort. This herb belongs to Dame Venus. If the virtues of it makes you fall in love with it, as they will if you be wise, keep a syrup of it to take inwardly, an ointment and plaster of it to use outwardly, always by you. Bugle is temperate for heat, but very drying, excellent for falls or inward bruises, for it dissolves congealed blood, profitable for inward wounds, helps the rickets and other stoppings of the liver. Outwardly it is of wonderful force in curing wounds and ulcers, though festered, as also gangrenes and fistulas, it helps broken bones and dislocations.
Always remember, never take herbal medicine without proper medical supervision.
Bugleweed thrives in full sun to full shade. Though bugleweed prefers slightly moist soil, the soil must be allowed to dry between watering. It's hardy in USDA climate zones 3 through 9. Bugleweed grows best in moist, medium-textured, somewhat sandy soil. A pH between 4.5 and 6.5 is ideal. Cultivate compacted soil to a depth of 6 inches. Remove all traces of weeds. Incorporate compost. If you use synthetic fertilizer, incorporate 5-10-15 at a rate of 2 pounds per 100 square feet. Do not allow synthetic granular nutrients from contacting any part of the plants. Like any plant in the mint family, it spreads by rhizomes and grows rapidly, which makes it a versatile lawn substitute. It looks like a carpet and stops mild erosion. Bugleweed does what ground covers do best. It covers ground. Plant container grown Ajuga, at least a foot apart. Pollinators like them, but deer don't. Bugleweed is prized for its palette of colors that please the eye throughout the year. In addition to being a fine lawn substitute, it is also wonderful in woodland and meadow gardens. It easily turns that unplanted or forgotten part of the yard into a beautiful landscape you will be proud of.